How to maintain joint health as you age. As we grow older, the health of our joints becomes a crucial factor in maintaining our mobility, independence, and overall quality of life. Yet, joint pain or stiffness doesn't have to be an inevitable part of aging. With the right strategies, you can keep your joints healthy and functional for years to come. Today, let's explore practical ways to maintain joint health as you age, focusing on proper diet, low-impact exercises, and the role of supplements. Let's begin with diet, one of the most influential factors in joint health. The food you eat can either support your joints or contribute to inflammation, which accelerates wear and tear. To protect your joints, aim for a diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent for reducing joint inflammation. For vegetarians, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts are great alternatives. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables such as spinach, kale, berries, and oranges. These foods are high in antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress, a factor that damages joint tissues over time. Don't forget about calcium and vitamin D, essential nutrients for strong bones, which provide a solid framework for your joints. Dairy products, fortified plant-based milks, and leafy greens like kale are good sources. Vitamin D can also be obtained from sunlight exposure or supplements if needed. Now, let's talk about the foods to minimize. Processed and fried foods, sugary snacks, and refined carbohydrates can promote inflammation. Reducing these can help you maintain not only healthier joints, but also better overall health. Next, let's move to exercise, which is like lubrication for your joints. Regular movement encourages the production of synovial fluid, a natural lubricant that keeps your joints moving smoothly. However, not all exercises are joint-friendly, especially as you age. Focus on low-impact exercises that build strength and flexibility without placing excessive stress on your joints. Swimming and water aerobics are fantastic choices because the buoyancy of water reduces strain on your joints while still allowing for a full range of motion. Activities like yoga and Tai Chi improve flexibility, balance, and posture, which help reduce the risk of falls and joint injuries. Strength training is equally important, as stronger muscles provide better support for your joints. Use light weights or resistance bands to build strength without risking overuse. Another critical piece of advice is to listen to your body. Pain is a signal, not something to push through. If you feel discomfort during an activity, modify your movements or switch to a gentler exercise. Finally, let's consider the role of supplements in joint health. While diet and exercise form the foundation, supplements can provide targeted support when needed. Glucosamine and chondroitin are popular choices for maintaining cartilage health. Studies suggest they may help reduce joint pain and slow cartilage breakdown in some individuals. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory that can be taken as a supplement or added to your meals. Collagen peptides are gaining popularity for supporting cartilage and connective tissue. Collagen is a building block for healthy joints, and supplementation can help replenish what your body loses with age. Before starting any supplement, consult your healthcare provider to ensure it's appropriate for your specific needs and doesn't interact with other medications you may be taking. In addition to these strategies, maintaining a healthy weight is crucial. Extra body weight places unnecessary stress on your joints, particularly the knees, hips, and lower back. Even small weight loss can significantly reduce joint pain and improve mobility. As we close, remember that joint health isn't about avoiding movement to protect your joints. It's about choosing the right kinds of movement, nourishing your body with wholesome foods, and supporting it with targeted care. Small, consistent steps can make a significant difference in how your joints feel and function as you age. Take charge of your joint health today and let it pave the way for an active, fulfilling tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and drop any questions or comments below. I am here to support you on this journey to better health, and I'll see you in the next video.